Hello friends, today we have got CC-512 which is our chilling controller. So with the CC-512 we have got one NTC sensor whose range starts from -50 degrees Celsius to 99.9 degrees Celsius, and we are having two relay outputs in this particular model. So my first relay output is available for compressor and my second relay output is there for the alarm. So we can set the low set point and high set point over which we want the relay output to be on. And one more thing, this alarm relay will also get on if my prop failure occurs in the field due to any of the conditions. Now moving on to the wiring of the CC-512. So NTC sensor is already connected with the meter itself. In the line and neutral we have given 230 volt supply, auxiliary supply. From line we have taken one loop wire and we have given common in the relay 1, that is my compressor relay. Same way we have taken another loop from common itself, from this line itself, and we have given it to the alarm relays common. So you can see my both the phase from relay 1 and relay 2 will directly go into the LEDs. Okay, so whenever my relay 1 is on, this LED will get on. Whenever my relay 2, that means my alarm relay is on, second LED will get on. The neutral we have given directly to the neutral terminals. These two black wires we have directly given to the neutral terminal. Same way, same connections you can do for your compressor and alarm relay also. If you are having the load lesser than 10 ampere, so you can do this same kind of wiring in your CC-512. Okay, so now moving on to the parameters video of CC-512. So as soon as we power on the instrument, so you can see we have got the present value over here on the display, and on the left hand side top this LED is blinking for R1, so it is indicating that it is taking the delay time to start the compressor. Now to go into the parameters page, we will keep this set button continuously pressed. Okay, so F1 will come on the display. So F1 is for the mode selection, that whether we need to use this controller in heating mode or in cooling mode. So we will set cool mode over here and again press set button. So F2, here we have got the higher temperature value, so we can set the higher temperature value for the alarm, that means for my second relay. So let's say if I have set 30 degrees over here, so above 30 degrees Celsius my relay 2, that is my alarm relay will get on. So we will set 30 degrees over here. Again we'll press set button. So F3 is my set lower temperature value. So below this set point, below this temperature, if my temperature goes below that set point, then my alarm relay will get on. HS is my set higher value. So if I'll set 30 degrees over here, so I cannot set my set point above 30 degrees in my main page. Let me set 27 degrees Celsius over here so that we can differentiate between my F2 value and my HS value. Okay, again we'll press set button. LS is my set lower value. F4 we have got the hysteresis value, so you can set your hysteresis value over here. You can say your tolerance value. F5 we have got F5 for the offset value. So if you want to, let's say if my current value it is showing 26 degrees Celsius on the display, and if you want to show 27, so I'll set plus 1.0 over here. So on the display it will add 1 degree Celsius and show me on the page. Again we'll press set button. So F6 is my delay time, that is by default 3 minutes. If I'll set 0 over here, then this blinking will stop and it will be on continuously. Okay, so right now my set point is higher than my present value, so that's why it has not got on. That means my relay has not picked up. So in alarm we have got different options. If I'll set 0 over here, then my alarm will be continuously off. If I'll set 1 over here, then I will get my high temperature alarm, low temperature alarm, and in the case of prop failure also I will get one alarm. If I'll set 2 over here, so in the case of 2, what will happen? If only my high temperature will get on. If I'll set 3 over here, so in the case of low temperature only, my relay 2 will get on. Now moving forward, we have got F7. F7 is my alarm delay time. So I can set my delay time over here. If I'll set 1 minute, so for continuously for 1 minute, if my temperature goes high or goes low, in that case only I will get my alarm. So I'll keep it 0 over here. Again we'll press set. We have got F8. F8 is my alarm on time. So if I'll set 5 seconds over here, so for 5 seconds only my alarm relay will get on. Let me set 10 seconds over here. Again we'll press set button. So this is my relay 2 mode. This is for the polarity, whether I need to get NO contact or NC contact during my fault condition. If I'll set NC over here, so during my fault, the NC contact will get the power supply. I'll set NO over here because we have done the wiring as per the NO contact only. Next option, we have got LP, that is my lock keypad. So if I'll set 1 over here, so my keypad, this up and down button will get locked. I cannot change my set point with the help of this up and down button. If I'll set lock keypad enable. So even is my prop failure condition. Let's say we have set 2 over here. So during my prop failure, it will perform on duty cycle. So for 10 minutes my compressor will be on, and for 4 minutes my compressor will be off. If I'll set 1 over here, then my compressor will be continuously on. If I'll set 0, so in the case of prop failure, my relay will be continuously off only. So let me set duty cycle only over here. And CN is my off time in the case of prop failure. So by default it is 4 minutes. CY is my on time, that is by default 10 minutes. Again we'll press set button. We have got the DP option, that is my decimal point. So I can select my decimal point. So if you do not want the decimal point, you can select no. If you want the decimal point, you can select yes. Again we'll press set button. We have got the temperature unit option also. So whether you want to see the temperature in degrees Celsius or in degree Fahrenheit, you can select the options. Again we'll press set button. So here we have got the factory set option. So if I want to factory set all the parameters, I will just select yes and press enter button to factory reset. Again we'll press set button. So here we have got the password option. So I can enable or disable the password as well. If I'll select one, that means my password is enabled. So now I'll press enter button. So as you can see, my set point is 27 degrees Celsius. If I want to increase my set point, I cannot increase because my high set value, that is 27 degrees Celsius. And for the alarm we have kept 30 degrees Celsius. So I'll increase the temperature over here. So above 30 degrees Celsius, my relay 2 will get on for 10 seconds only, because we have set the alarm time as 10 seconds. So you can see above 30 degrees Celsius, my relay 1 has picked up, that is my compressor relay, as my set point is 27 and my hysteresis value is 3. Same way for the alarm, I think I have set another feature in the alarm. Let us check. Okay, we have enabled the password, so we'll make it 39 over here and again press set. Now we'll directly go to alarm. Okay, so alarm we have set only 3, that is on low temperature only my alarm will get on. We'll set 1 over here and then press enter. So now above 30 degrees Celsius, our relay 2 will also get on. We'll again increase the temperature. Now you can see above 30 degrees Celsius, my alarm relay has got on, and it will get on for 10 seconds only because we have set the timing as 10 seconds only. So you can see about 10 seconds my relay has got off, and on the display it is showing the high indication. Thank you.